Good afternoon, this is Dennis Stroud with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to take you around this 2019 Palazzo built by Thor. This floor plan is a 33.2. It is a unique coach in that it's a mid-door diesel pusher. I know many of you are looking for that specific thing. This coach might meet that for you. They have good storage. Thor has given us good storage in the bays. One of the more unique approaches they do, which gives you tremendous storage, there are double doors along with a slide tray. So that slide tray can be accessed from either side. Outside TV, some more thinner storage here. Your house batteries, 4 6s. Your electrical for the solar and the charging. .300 horse diesel pusher. Tankless hot water heater. Our DEF for our diesel engine. Our service center. So it has your hot, your cold, your flushes, your drain valves, and your knife valves for your dump station. Again, double doors on this side. One of the nice things, they've given us a place to hang our power cord out of the way. And our LP tank, easy access for large fill. Full wall slide. So it's our chassis electrical along with good storage here. Dual fills, driver's side, roadside. Generator here at the front. This layout has a great floor plan. Nice dinette, sofa across. They've also given us a recliner that can be moved wherever you'd like it to be, a very comfortable recliner. Driver passenger chairs both turn to face the rear to join the company, and there's a at the passenger seat there's a desk available there. One of the things they've done a very nice job of, you might want to take a close look at when you have time, is look at how they control their interiors. This touchpad controls the lighting, controls the slide outs, controls the heating and cooling. One of the things though that's very nice about this is an app that you can put on your phone. So you can walk outside with the phone app and you can run your slide outs in and out while watching them, along with starting your generator or locking and unlocking things or running your AC. Large bathroom. Well done cabinetry. Kind of a coat closet effect here in the hallway. Back in the bedroom, because of the slide, we have the tremendous amount of drawers along with a nice wardrobe, overheads, 2 shirt wards, overheads, and 2 nightstands. So plenty of room to bring along what you'd like to bring along. And on the other side, we have one additional tall wardrobe. In this case, by chance, they've stored the extra bunk ladder there for a little bit. And then beside it, we have the washer dryer. These are the stacked units, which do a good job. Going forward, we have 2 pantries with pull-outs. Double door residential reefer. Induction cooktop. Convection microwave, and a large TV that you can see clearly as you're seated on your sofa. So if you have questions, please give us a call. We'd love to have you test drive this coach. It's a very well done floor plan with a mid-door diesel pusher. Thank you very much.